Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial on how to download 10-meter resolution land cover data from ESRI. Today, I'll be guiding you step by step through the process. Step 1 will be accessing ESRI's data platform. ESRI offers a detailed, timely, and accurate land use land cover product with a 10-meter resolution covering Earth's land surface from 2017 to 2022. It's an incredible tool for understanding trends and aiding in informed decision making. So now, navigate to ESRI's main data platform from this link. Once you are on the platform, select the Launch the Land Cover Explorer application. And if you're looking for land cover, go to that option that says Launch Download Options for Land Cover. Step 2 will be searching for the dataset. Once you're on the platform, select the tile of your interest. Step 3 will be downloading the desired dataset. Once you have located the tile with land cover product, click on the tile. A pop-up will appear displaying data by years. Simply click on the desired year and the data for that year will initiate a download. For those wanting the entire dataset, click on the year option at the top of the download, where you can see like 2017, 18, 19. So that will be the option to download in bulk. That's it. You have successfully downloaded the ESRI land cover data. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Remember, GIS data like this land cover product offers valuable insights, and mastering its use can be a game changer. Happy mapping!